Paul's gonna drive the Evo right now, and we're gonna see his reaction. He never drove an Evo 8, so do we. So let's see how this goes. What's up, sexy?
I've been walking around like I don't give a fuck.
We're gonna fix the exhaust because Topete Mufflers. So these are the broskies. April, shout out to April. She's the one that her cousin owns this shop, and my cousin's shop is literally over there too as well. Cali Street Tires. So they're right across from each other. So we're gonna get the Evo fixed up with the exhaust. It should be right in the bottom. Let me show you. It's pretty bad, but he just said, bro, don't worry about it. Just give me 2 modelos and you're set. So basically, so you guys can get a story, the exhaust like broke off. I don't know exactly how, but like the previous one we just bought it from, it's just like literally snapped in half. So we don't need an exhaust or anything. It already has one. It just literally just broke. So they're gonna weld it back right now and see what's up. You guys can see the exhaust is literally broken right there. You can see the crack right there. Once again, thanks to Topete Mufflers over here. April's taking care of the exhaust. She hooked it up. She's the one that said like, hey, you guys should come over to my cousin's shop. So this is her shop right here at Topete Mufflers. Paul's gonna drive the Evo right now, and we're gonna see his reaction. He never drove an Evo 8, so do we. So let's see how this goes. Oh shit. Stop sign. Oh shit. Alright broskies, other than the slight damage right here from before, if you guys know about the accident, ripperonis, but rally car's gonna be gone for a bit. It's getting some modification. This thing's been a long little journey, but until then it's gonna be a bit. We're gonna get some new stuff, and pretty much everything was kind of a waste. We'll see. It kind of got done kind of fast. It was supposed to be gone for a while, but Matt took care of it over here. He did a really good job. You can tell from the fenders, everything's pretty freaking wide. The tires actually fit, good fitment now. Maybe we can actually go a little fatter, but they actually fit perfect against flush. There's more WC stuff to go, but other than that, I'm really happy how it went. It's a really big change, and it's definitely gonna make some necks that broken, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, now we're gonna do the rest. We're here to pick up the white chicks. All right, we'll see how this thing looks, dude. It looks pretty fresh so far. Pretty good. It looks a lot more different than seeing in person. I never actually saw a real WRC kit in real life, but it needs more work. We're not done yet, but it's kind of weird to make this in Forza, and it kind of comes to real life. This is the last time we're going to see the rally car for a bit. We're making a big change. We got Ford Escorts over here for the speeding and shit, so that's nice. But I don't know, it's time for the big change. We got this, we kept this a secret for a while. Only you guys on YouTube actually seen the sneak peek, so this is gonna be a big montage of everything all together. But it's been a long way. What's up, sexy? Well, this is it for the car. We're gonna see it. It's hopefully not too long from now, but it's gone a long way. We got a next rally thing coming up, so we gotta make it look special. We gotta get our boy's brand right here. For your imagine. If you guys ever need some wraps, check out my boy. He always hooks it up. He likes Boobiez too. I have like one of those.
Say bye to your car.
That's it. Bye bye. Time for new things. We got a race. We got races to win, broskies. A lot of you guys actually spotted it. So some of you guys already saw how it actually looks. And a lot of you guys, thanks for keeping it secrets, but a lot of you guys didn't post it. Matt's already getting to work. He's already wrapping stuff, making it look nice, and here's a little sneak peek of the process of what it actually takes to do this. And it's hard because it's a wide kit from a WC Kit official. So it takes a little bit of work, but so far I can see it looks freaking nice, dude. You can't even tell like it's a fiberglass fender compared to a metal fender. But it's gonna take a lot of work. So it makes it look this pretty, and that's what it looks like when it's not pretty. But this is the next thing right here, the WC bumper. You can take the whole front end to do everything. As you can see, like it really is a long process. So we're gonna pick up the El Chicken Nugget car right now, and we're gonna see it for the first time. It's finally done, and I can't see it, so I'm highly disappointed so far.
Of course I did, dude, like that.
Big shout out to guys, to Matt. You guys already know, Reimagine Wraps over there. He took care of everything. So let's see how this goes.